climbs a tree and scrapes her knee. Her dress has got a tear. She waltzes on her way to mass and whistles on the stair. And underneath the wimple she has curlers in her hair. I've even heard her singing in the abbey. She's always late for chapel, but her penitence is real. She's always late for everything except for every meal. From all the which I take it that you very firmly feel Maria's not an asset to the abbey. I'd like to say a word on her behalf. Say, Maria makes me laugh. How do you solve the problem like Maria? How do you catch a clown a bit down? How do you find the word that means Maria? A flimsy gibbet, a will of a wisp, a clown. Many a thing you know you like to tell her. Many a thing she ought to understand. But how do you make her stay and listen to all you say? How you keep the wave upon the sand? Oh, how do you solve a problem like Maria? How do you hold the morning in your arms? When I'm with her, I'm confused, out of focus and bemused, and I never know exactly where I am. She's unpredictable as weather, she's as flighty as a feather. She's a darling, she's a demon, she's a lamb. She'll outpester any pest, drive a hornet from its nest. She can throw a whirling dervish at a whirl. She is gentle, she is wise.